Hello, my name is Mr Montgomery and I'd like to tell you a little bit about studying economics here at Waldegrave School. So why would you want to study economics here at Waldegrave School? I think one of the best things about economics is it covers such a fascinating variety of subjects. So throughout the course of the A-level, we'll be looking at lots of topics ranging from trade, inequality, poverty, government policies, consumer behaviour, business behaviour, labour markets, and many more. So there really is something for everybody throughout the syllabus. Some more good reasons to study A-level economics. It leads to a range of fascinating careers, and it's a subject that's very widely respected for university admission. Economics has grown in popularity enormously in the last few years as well. And economics graduates, if you choose to go on to study at university, which of course you don't have to all by studying A-level, are the second highest earners. What skills will you learn if you study A-level economics? You'll need to do research, you'll need to analyse and evaluate, and you'll need to work on economics problems with others on your own and in teams and being able to communicate. There are two branches of economics: microeconomics, micro meaning small, and that looks at individual markets and behaviour of consumers and businesses. And some of the kind of questions that you might get asked on a microeconomics papers are things like these. These are some typical questions, plus many others. Macroeconomics looks at the whole economy and the global economy. And some of the kind of questions that come up in macroeconomics might be things like these. So as you can see, a very wide variety of subjects. So Waldegrave, we study Edexcel Economics, and the course obviously splits down over 2 years. There are 2 microeconomics topics and 2 macroeconomics topics. So themes 1 and 3 are microeconomics, and themes 2 and 4 are macroeconomics. At the end of the course, you'll do 3 exam papers, 1 microeconomics, 1 macroeconomics, and the final paper which covers both of those areas. The assessment methods used for A-level economics are varied. There are some short multiple choice questions and short answer questions, data responses where you're given some economic data and you have to answer questions based on the data, and also some essay questions. And each exam paper has got a mixture of the above. So economics is going to be a new subject for most of you. It's rare that anybody starts the course having done GCSE. So you might ask yourself the following questions to decide if it's for you. If you like finding out about how the world around you works, and you can answer yes to that question, then economics may well be for you. One of the things that students always say to me at the end of the course is how invaluable economics has been in helping them understand how the world around them works. If you want a varied and interesting subject, then economics could well be for you. Don't worry about starting a new subject. As I mentioned, GCSE economics does exist, but very few people have done it. So everybody starts economics with no prior knowledge, so everybody will be in the same boat and you'll quickly get to grips with it. Where will economics take me? Economics is a versatile subject that leads to a big range of careers. So banks, big companies, government, management, consultancy, if that's the kind of thing that interests you. If not, economics is also very useful for things like marketing, law, journalism, or even teaching. So it's very varied. Economics graduates are in high demand. So 2 common questions I'd like to talk about, which get asked a lot. So I'd like to talk about those now. Is there a lot of maths in A-level economics? The answer is no. There is very little maths in A-level economics. You do need to be comfortable with numbers though. The most difficult the maths gets is pretty much doing a percentage change. There's probably nothing beyond year 9 maths. However, if you think you might want to study economics at university, I would strongly recommend taking A-level maths. You can get onto economics degrees without doing A-level maths, but you will find it much easier if you do have maths. If maths isn't your thing, you might like to combine economics with history or politics at degree level, which will be less mathematical. But if you want to study straight economics at a university and you know that already, I would strongly recommend taking A-level maths. Another common question is, what's the difference between economics and business? Well, economics looks at allocating scarce resources and is much broader in scope than business studies. Economics, we look at the behaviour of consumers, the government, businesses, and is very varied. Business studies mainly focuses exclusively on businesses. And economics is a more traditional academic subject as well. So I hope this has been useful in helping you make your A-level choices, and I look forward to seeing you in economics next year, hopefully. Thank you.